Hi. Today we are going to deactivate the auto text suggestion in Microsoft Word. This is MS Word. If I write something here, the suggestion comes like this. So, to switch it off, simply go to Settings. Then Typing Settings. Now on the right side, Deactivate. Show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. And now you can see that there is no suggestion displayed on the screen and it's gone. By this way, you can turn auto suggestion off in Microsoft Word. Please be with Joseph IT and subscribe. Goodbye.